So Sadie wants to join a fitness club for 1 year, and there's two types of membership. Okay, so you've got the basic or elite. Also says she wants to take part in 2 exercise classes per week, and of course it's 52 weeks in a year, isn't there? So every week she wants to do 2 exercise classes. So she decides to pay for a whole year's membership in a single payment. All right, she makes a single payment. Which type of membership is cheaper? Well, let's focus then, first of all, on the basic. Okay, let's see how much that comes to. Now, it says it's £32 per month, doesn't it? But of course, then you've got the special offer. Pay for 10 months in a single payment and get membership for a whole year. So she only have to pay for 10 months and getting 2 months for free, effectively. And she is going to pay single payment, so just 10 of them. Okay, so the cost will be 10 lots of £32. Okay, and of course, when you times by 10, you just add a 0, so that's easy enough, £320. Now, you've also got then the exercise classes, £4 per class. Okay, so the classes cost £4, all right? But there's going to be 2 of these, isn't there? She's going to 2 of these a week, so that'll be £8. That'll be £8 per week, all right? But of course, over the whole year, there's going to be 52 weeks, so she's got to pay £8 every week for 52. So we need to work out now what 52 lots of £8 is. We're going to do times 52 by 8. And you know, there are a few ways of doing this. You know, you could do the box method, or you could even split up the 52 now and think of it as 50 times 8 and 2 times 8. You could do it that way, split up that 52 times 8 calculation. So 50 times 8, well, 5 times 8 is 40, and add the 0 on, so 400. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so then if I add them together, I've worked out 52 times 8 then, that comes to £416. So the total cost will be the 320 plus then the 416 cost there for the classes. So add them together, that will be £736. Okay, £736. That's for the basic membership. For the elite, let's have a look at what we've got here. It says £60 a month, doesn't it? Okay, £60 a month, but there's a special offer, 10% off when you pay for a whole year in a single payment. So £60, well, there's 12 months, so it'll be 12 lots of 60. Of course, when you do 12 times 60, if you do 12 times 6, first of all, that'll be 72. 12 times 6 is 72, and add a 0 on. Okay, so it'll be £720, but then there's a 10% discount. So we need to work out 10% of this. 10% is easy, okay, because 10% is just divide by 10, isn't it? So if you divide that by 10, you get 72. So that's the discount. Okay, when you apply the discount then, you need to take that off. So 720, you need to take this discount off, 720. Okay, so when we take away here, well, you can't do 0 take away 2, so we borrow 1 there. So 10 take away 2 is 8. 1 take away 7 you can't do, so cross that off, make it a 6. And 1 there, so 11 take away 7 is 4, and then the 6 there, so £648. Okay, so that's the total charge, that's the total cost there, with the discount applied, and all classes are included, aren't they? So there's no more costs to include there. So let's see which is cheaper. You've got 736 with basic, 648 with the elite. So you can see clearly that the elite is cheapest, right? The elite is actually cheapest. So you can say, look, elite is cheapest, and all you've got to do then is work out the difference between them. So what was it? 736 take away 648. So 6 take away 8 you can't do, so we borrow. 16 then take away 8 is 8. 2 take away 4 we can't do, so we borrow. So 12 take away 4 is 8, and 6 take away 6 is 0, so it'll be £88 cheaper.